I'm here today with Joel Reyes. He's a colleague of mine on the Startup and Citizenship team here at Microsoft, and he actually has some interesting insights into a new hotbed of startup activity on the East Coast. Joel, you want to tell me a little bit about this I-85 corridor?
Yes, basically, you know, traditionally we think of startups as something that happens in Silicon Valley and in places like Washington, D.C. and so whatnot. But it turns out that it's a worldwide, in fact, you know, in this case, nationwide phenomenon. And in the Southeast, which is where I reside, there is a lot going on there. So that's why we call it the Southeast Startup Corridor, because it's basically the I-85 connection between Atlanta, Charlotte, and Raleigh-Durham area. So particularly Atlanta and Raleigh-Durham area, there's a lot going on there. There's really hot startups. You know, you have the research triangle in the Raleigh area, which is heavy technology driven.
And it's been the Triangle Park area. It's been known for kind of innovation for a while.
Yeah, so. Especially with, you know, a lot of healthcare going on there. Likewise in Atlanta. So I figure, you know, why not connect those three cities into this Southeast I-85 corridor, so that, you know, we can, you know, focus on reaching out to that community, and, you know, not only the startups themselves, but work through incubators and accelerators and some of the organizations that are bringing that community together, and be able to amplify our reach into the startup community, you know, bringing our resources that we can make available to them to help them, you know, achieve their goals. So it's a very exciting new opportunity for me to venture into it, so I'm looking forward to it.
Very cool, very cool. So not like Silicon Valley, it'd be like Silicon Interstate.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so we're going to be bringing up a kickoff event in Atlanta on September 19, October 19? October 19.
I'll put the information in the show notes.
Yeah, it's October 19. And I'm looking forward to that. So that's going to be our first event to reach out to the Atlanta community. Mm-hmm. Then we're going to replicate that effort in the Raleigh-Durham area. I'm already reaching out to the communities there, and hopefully we'll also bring it over to the Charlotte area as well. Very cool. So, but definitely Atlanta and the Raleigh-Durham area, definitely will have that there going on.
Very cool. So you said there's a lot of healthcare startups.
Yeah. Traditionally, the Triangle area has been known for that.
For pharmaceutical research.
Yeah, and medical in general. Yeah, very diverse. You know, you have the Duke University near there somewhere, and that's a big, you know, influencing organization into the whole research community there. In Atlanta, what I've been told by the people who focus on healthcare is that also there is a heavy healthcare focus there, but obviously there's also all the diversity of other companies focusing on other things, but that seems to be one of the hardcore areas. So we'll be, you know, starting with that, but, you know, we're going to embrace all the different communities within the startup ecosystem to embed ourselves and help them, you know, with their objectives.
Very cool. Do you find a lot of healthcare companies are into the IT thing, or is IT a means to an end, or they're providing some kind of IT as a service?
Well, you know, healthcare is a huge industry. We know that, but also of late, you know, it's become very active in terms of you know, solutions, and, you know, there's been an effort nationwide to improve, you know, healthcare services and so on. So there's a lot of innovation going on there, both from established ISVs as well as, you know, startups to bring to market new solutions. So that's where the opportunity is for us to capture that and build relationships that enables them to embrace our platform. So indeed, definitely.
Very cool. I think that's good.
So hopefully you'll come drop by in one of the kickoff meetings that we're going to have.
Hopefully, and if anyone out there is interested in attending, you have a blog, right?
Yeah, my joelcitizen.com. We'll be putting a lot of information there coming up, so you can visit that and find out more shortly.
Cool. Awesome.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.